Hey everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a weekly plan with me for the week of January the 5th through the 31st. And I would just like to say welcome. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Stick around a while and watch the rest of my videos and see what you think. Leave comments if you have something to say or if there's something special you'd like to see. I'd be more than happy to plan that for you. And to my returning subscribers, I just want you to know how much you guys mean to me. It's really, really important to me and it means the world. And I just want to say thank you very much for subscribing and staying around and being part of my community. I appreciate it. All right, guys. I have my stuff pre-pulled. Wanted to do a little bit of something different. So this is the way it's going to go down. Went ahead and put down my washi. And the washi I used is Happy Planner washi. And these are the two that I am using. And I used stickers from, I got a mess over here. Let me see. This book right here. This one, and I used Botanicals and the Homebody. So that's where we're headed today, okay? So let's get started. All right. You know me, I don't always, but generally I like to plan ahead. I think it's a time saver. It gives me time to really sit and think about what I'm doing. So, you know, it's not everybody's style, but, and I do it sometimes and sometimes I don't. You know, sometimes I don't pre-plan ahead. Sometimes I like to just go with it with you guys, and that's all good and fine. But, you know, sometimes I just think I'm having one of those I'm being too indecisive days. And, yeah, I don't think y'all want to sit around and watch me think. I'll put it that way. So, as you can probably tell here, I ran out of the roller whiteout. So, I had to use liquid whiteout. So, I'm trying to do some disguising here on this corner. So trying to cover it up as best I can, and so I went with an off-centered sticker there to try to cover up that corner. And then over here on the sidebar, I tried to do the same thing by covering this up right here. Okay, so now let's get started with my boxes. And if all this came up at once, it would be fabulous, but, you know, who knows? We're going to go with it. All right, this was going to go in the middle, right here. I get so aggravated at myself when I can't get these stickers down straight. I can't hardly see straight. I mean, it's like, go down. Okay. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. If you all are afraid to cut your stickers, don't be. You can make any size stickers work for any size planner spread. So just so you know, it's not something that you have to be afraid of. I mean, I think that it shows, you know, creativity You know, I use mini stickers in my regular classic size. I use gigantic stickers in my little planners, my personal planner. So it's really what you want to do. It's not about anything else. So just be creative and do what you want to do. I mean, you know, it's your planner and you can make whatever you want to happen. I cut a lot of these stickers in half to make them appear that they were coming out of the side there. And I want to do a video, just like a simple video of like how to do this and how to do that, and just show you guys who are new, maybe planner people that haven't been planning for very long, some really cute, new, inexpensive little things you could do to make planning simple. I mean, you can go as minimalist as you want, or you can make it as extra as you want. I'm going to sort of offset this, because what I'm going to do here is put my to-do sort of both. I don't have a lot on Wednesdays, so that would be why that's. And I tried to put a little bit of foiling in my spread as well to give it a little bit of a pop. So just so you guys know, I have some of the stickers that have the foiling on them. I really love this color palette. It's so soft, and to me it's super elegant. And I loved it. So I've been seeing a lot of people do the black stickers, and I just think that they are gorgeous. And especially when you put them with a pop of color, I just think it makes such a statement. I need to put this down first because I didn't cut this one. So we're going to put it like sometimes I get these down perfectly and sometimes I don't. I'm improving. Baby steps. But, you know, and all the sticker, you know, layouts that you do every week, they don't have to be perfect, you know. So, see, that gives that a little, you can see that, pop of foiling and color. So now let's move on to our other side. And we are going to put this down this side. Line that up. I think we need to pull these. Apart. There we go. Put that there. And put this one right beside of it. And let's layer these together. There we go. That's better. Not perfect, but better. Okay. All right. So far, so good. What do you think? Just like I said, I really, really like the colors. I think they just complement each other. I'm going to plant this little blue one right over here in the corner. And this one goes. Right. I probably shouldn't put them all down like that, but I try to get my placement and stuff. Since I'm new at it, that's why I do a lot of the pre-planning and pre-pulling, because I try to get my stuff symmetrical And sometimes, you know, I get on video and it's messed up and you're pulling them up and you're putting them back down, and, you know, you're spending 10 minutes trying to figure it out, where sometimes it's just more fun for me if I can, you know, get it done, because, you know, sometimes I get frustrated, you know, it's like I can't get it to do right and lay right, and I don't want y'all to have to go on that ride with me, I'll put it that way, because we can all get a little bit, like, take forever to do something, and just makes me a little crazy, folks. Makes me a little crazy. Hope you guys have had a good week. I have had a very good week this week. And looking forward to see all the things that 2021 will bring us, which I'm sure we all hope is good. And I think a lot of it is, it's good if you see good. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's all about the attitude, folks. One last setup to do here. I apologize for the noise. Those of you who use wax paper, I'm sure you get where I'm coming from here. All right, this one I'm going to nest in here. Then I'm going to put this down. Here. This is going to go down here. If you take and you really mash these down, it really makes the paper or the tape not show as much, or the adhesive. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of green over here. And one last little edges. Because, like, if you cut something and you've got, like, the leaves like this, and you just straight edge it, cut off it real straight, and you put it up against any kind of box, it doesn't matter what kind of box it is, it's going to look fabulous. You know, it's going to be super awesome, and it's going to look great. So, I didn't, let me cut these off for you guys. These little edges here, and we'll be at our finish point. So, I didn't change, like, the dots on the spine here, and I didn't change out the coloring because I felt like the coloring here on the month and the dates actually sort of picked up on the colors in here. So I didn't want to, you know, change that out. I just felt like it's a lot of extra stuff to do that really wasn't necessary. I mean, it's the correct days and the months of the year and all that. So anyway, that is my weekly spread in my classic dashboard for the week of January the 25th through the 31st. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would hope that you would show my channel a little love and give me a like. And if you like what you see and you want to keep watching some videos of creativity and out-of-the-box spreads, consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you and continue watching. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your week coming forward. And bye, guys.